I see dancers do toe stands and their point work, and all of a sudden everything falls to the wayside. When you go up the first few times, you're probably not going to be like, oh, this is like dancing in clouds. It may not feel the greatest. The thing is, though, with proper training, you should be okay. I say this because when dancers go up, we let things fall back down. You almost have to completely retrain your body again for what it's like to be on your toes, all the way up on your toes. You have to engage a little harder in your core, in your shoulders, in your lengthening of the neck, everything. And it feels a little different until you're used to it. It's really not the same. It's just, it's kind of a mind over matter situation that needs to be overcome. I say that all of this because these things cannot be neglected. Again, I see dancers get up onto a toe stand and all of a sudden, like, their whole body rolls forward, and then you can no longer hold whatever position you need to do. You have breaks where they don't belong, like you'll sickle your ankles, and that's where injuries can occur. So you need to really make sure that you are holding your body upright, and you need to make sure that you are lengthening in all the appropriate spots. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about doctor approval and things that